How to unlock Snapchat account temporarily and permanently appeal the locked account. So, if your Snapchat account is locked, it may be due to various reasons like suspicious activity, violating Snapchat terms of service, or logging in too many times. And here is how you can unlock your account either temporarily or permanently, and how to appeal a locked account. First of all, simply tap on any web browser you prefer. Here I am tapping on the Safari for now. Now, once inside the Safari, tap on the search address bar and type down Snapchat support and hit enter. Now, once you do so, you'll be navigated to the Snapchat support list. From there, simply tap on the Snapchat support at the top and navigate to its official website. Now, once inside the official website, all you have to do is scroll down, and there you will get to see Contact Us option available, and all you have to do is tap on it. Once you tap on the Contact Us option available, you will be navigated to the other section where you can submit a request. Here, simply tap on the My Account Was Compromised option available at the top and scroll down again, and you can see Contact Us option available in the red highlights. Simply tap on it and you'll be navigated to some options where you can enter your personal information about your Snapchat account and yourself and submit a request appealing that you want to unlock your Snapchat account. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.